Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we are here to pick our winners and podium finishers for round one of the MotoAmerica Race Series Road Atlanta. Number one most important thing, MotoAmerica Live. If you don't have that, well then you. What an amazing entertainment value. A little bit of money for all that action and entertainment, my man. We bought it, was on sale. If you're watching this now, well, you missed that window, but it's still worth every penny and then some. Let's talk about Daytona, because we watched that on Fans Choice TV. It's pretty bitchin', right?
Yep.
Our guys were there. I think Fong had it.
Yep.
Fong had it before that red flag.
Well, here's the thing. SDK would have had it because, well, before he had that big problem, but that when he came to pit in, he had like a few second leads on everybody else. But since that problem happened, if that race did not get red flag, Fong was gone.
Fong, I think Fong, he was going to win. I believe that. He had Posh covered, but whatever. That is not how it happened. The racing gods give it and they take it away. But what we saw was a preview to this season, right? And Kyle Wyman. Kyle Wyman, dude, that was badass. You rode an amazing race, right? You had your own bad luck. Congrats on the win, kid. You deserve it. And it was cool sitting there watching you win like that for sure. Your celebration with your family, your wife. You're an amazing kid. I love you. Now, this was a great preview to the season because Sean Dylan Kelly, SDK as he's already shortened that up to, Chris Ulrich found him. I have no idea where he found him, but the kid is absolutely amazing. And Bobby Fong, right? Bobby Fong's been around a while, but this is probably the best opportunity he's ever had, and he showed everybody that he is fixing to capitalize on it. So great preview to the Supersport season. And that takes us into Road Atlanta. Let's start off with Superbike, race one.
So race one, I've got Tony Elias. And then second place, I've got Josh Herrin. And then I put Wyman in there because, I mean, he looked really good this season so far. And he's got that V4 power.
Super bitchin' brand new Ducati. I'm picking Josh Herrin because Josh is the man. Tony Elias in second place, pretty close to Josh, and a little pissed that he couldn't pass him. Cameron Boubier in third place, amazing rider, defending champion. Race two.
I got Josh Herrin, balls to steal that race. He's going to make a really good pass on, I'm going to guess, Cameron Boubier somewhere. And then Cameron in second because that kind of gave it away. And then Skoltz in third because he was out at Barber Motorsports Park the last weekend with Sportbike track time, and people have told me that he looked amazing.
He always looks amazing. He's super fast. Race number two for me. I'm sticking with my man Josh Herrin. 100% the double from Josh. And if I don't see a stand-up wheelie on the way to your grid spot, I'm going to be super disappointed. Second place, Cameron Boubier. Third place, my man Jake the Snake Lewis. I think there's going to be a little mayhem in that race. Maybe some people are going to be dropping off a couple of low sides here and there, and that's going to shuffle the order.
Supersport, race one. SDK, 100%, no doubt about it. And then I got Bobby, because he's going to be, I'm pretty sure he's going to be right there on SDK's tail. And Hayden Gillum, he really knows how to move that bike around. Big man power.
Okay, I'm just going to say there's a name missing from the results here. Hayden Gillum is amazing. The kid rides super fast. For me, the problem is the purple bike. When he was young, he watched Barney so fucking much. All I can hear is, I love you. Dude, paint the bike a different color, please. You're an amazing rider. Race number one, SDK. Bobby Fong and Jacobson. You don't know who he is, so that's fair. I'm going to let you have that. So race two, what do you got?
I've got SDK again. I've got Hayden Gillum. And then I've got Jason Aguilar.
I have Fong winning race number two, Jacobson in second, and Sean Dylan Kelly in third place because I think the two veteran riders are going to be a little salty over the fact that that 16-year-old kid took the win in race one, and they're not going to let that happen 2 times in a row.
So, race one for the Twins Cup. I've got Alex Dumas, I've got Chris Turner, and I'm pretty sure it's Fisher.
I love
Get that going.
This class is stacked. Look at the entries here. Oh my God.
People.
I love that. You know, affordable class, and this is just bam. Look at that list. There could be some great racing. These are going to be really hard to call. Race 1, I've got Alex Dumas, Chris Parrish, and Chris Turner.
Race 2, I've got Dumas, again, my boy. And I've got Chris Turner. I got Ray Hoffman because I'm pretty sure he did a good job last season.
A lot like I did in Supersport, I'm going to flip it. The young kid's going to end up on the 3rd spot of the podium this time. Parrish, Turner, Alex Dumas.
Local Molly Junior Cup, I've got Sam Lockoff, well, I'm pretty sure.
Fair enough.
And then I've got Gus Rodeo, my boy, over here from New Jersey. I've got Jackson Blackman on the new R3.
I don't know these riders as well as he does, so I'm going to pick the same riders race 1 and race 2. I've got Sam Lockoff winning, Damian Jigeloff. You know what? He's got a new team this year, right? Farrell, I mean, that's, and Damian's showed signs, so let's see. I've got him in 2nd place, and then Blackman in 3rd. I'm doing that for race 1 and race 2.
And then race 2, I've got Damian Jigeloff. He's got that real physical, and he's on a new team too. He's got the physical shape for the race. And then I've got Hunter Dunham on the new Ninja 400 for him this season. I've got Toby Kamsuk. I mean, last year he kind of struggled because he was on the R3 and he hit the Ninja 400s. He's a really tall dude. Really tall dude. Now he has more power and more torque for this season. So.
Well, and notice too, I mean, when you look at the entry list right now.
Ninja 400, Ninja 400, Ninja 400. Jeez, dude.
It is now the Ninja 400 Cup. 100%. Stock 1000, one race, Sunday.
One race. I've got Andrew Lee because he was the Superstock 1000 championship last season. I've got Miles Thornton, 2nd place. And then I've got Melissa for 3rd place this season.
That was a good pick, dude. Good pick. I've got Stefano Mesa winning the race, Andrew Lee in 2nd, and right there with you, kid, Melissa Paris on the 3rd spot of the podium. These are our picks for round 1. I want to give a big shout out to my man Chris Ulrich doing the 2-seat rides, right? The Dunlop program 2-seat rides. I've done 2-seater with Chris at Barber Motorsports Park. 2 larger grown men doing 1:39 on a 2-seat bike was interesting. He took my wife last year too. You wanted to go, but they said you were too young. Oh, that's a bummer. Maybe someday when you're a little bit older. So shout out to Chris. He's going to be out there, and there are times during that weekend when you can go over and sign up, maybe make a little donation, get yourself on that bike. I got to tell you, it is 100% and then some. It is better than any roller coaster, any amusement park ride, okay? Go for it. MotoAmerica, Road Atlanta, round 1. I think you all can agree, for sure I'm kicking the kid's ass with my picks.